Did you know a jet engine can be louder than a rock concert? But why do jets make so much noise? Let's break it down fast. Okay, picture this. Jet engines suck in air, squeeze it tight, blast it with fuel, and shoot it out the back at super high speeds. That's basically a recipe for chaos. Here's the science. All that air gets mashed together, then explodes out, slamming into the outside air. The result? Super fast air smashes into slow air, making shockwaves like tiny sonic booms. But wait, there's more. The engine's spinning parts make a whine, and the hot exhaust whooshes out so fast it shakes the air like a drum solo gone wild. And that's why when a jet takes off, you hear that deep rumbling roar mixed with a high-pitched scream. It's not just loud, it's science in action. So next time a jet flies overhead, remember, you're not just hearing noise, you're hearing pure, awesome physics.